and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some steak with a white sauce recipe. So first of all, you need to take some chicken and hammer it out, and you have to mash it properly. After that, you have to add 2 tablespoons of oil with some 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of salt, with a half tablespoon of paprika powder and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce. Mix really well to get a consistency. And once you have achieved the consistency, now you need to marinate the chicken steak, and add some garlic paste in it, and then marinate it again. And now we need to leave it for 2 hours. Once you're done with it, then add 2 3 tablespoons of the butter, add some chopped garlic in it to prepare the white sauce. And this is the process for the white sauce. Then a chopped onion. It's optional. If you want to add it, you can add it, otherwise you don't need it. Some 2 tablespoons of the flour, and now we need to stir it properly, and we need to mix it properly till the time we have achieved the consistency. And we need to add one salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And once you're done with it, add 1.5 cup of milk, and then mix it till the time you get the full consistency, and cook it for 5 minutes. And it's optional if you see when you get the consistency. Okay, the next thing is that now we are going for the main thing, that we are going to cook the marinated chicken, and you have to cook it for 8 to 10 minutes each side, so that it's cooked, and the steak is ready to eat, the yummylicious steak. After that, we are going to prepare some sauteed veggies. Add butter and potatoes and carrots. You can add beans as well. Make sure that you have boiled it for 5 minutes before you saute them. And now you can add a pinch of salt and black pepper on it, and it's time to present it. Yeah, here comes your steaks with the veggies, and now some white sauce, and the food is ready to eat. I believe you like it. So now you need to subscribe my channel, like it, subscribe it, and in order to see more videos. Thank you.